Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will explore the wonders of herbal plants in skincare. Herbal plants have been used for centuries by various cultures to naturally and effectively care for the skin. Let's get started. Various herbal plants have unique benefits for the skin. First, we have aloe vera. The gel from aloe vera leaves is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, helping to heal wounds, reduce inflammation, and moisturize the skin. Next, we have chamomile. Chamomile is abundant in anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, making it suitable for soothing skin irritations and acne. Not to be overlooked is lavender. Lavender essential oil is known to reduce stress, brighten the skin, and aid in wound healing. Now, let's create our own simple and effective herbal skincare products. First, mix 1 tablespoon of pure honey with a few drops of tea tree oil to create an antiseptic facial mask that helps combat acne and oily skin. Next, blend 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder with unsweetened yogurt to create a facial mask that helps conceal blemishes and brighten the skin. And don't forget to try the mixture of aloe vera gel and coconut oil as a natural body moisturizer that nourishes and maintains skin hydration. Healthy and radiant skin naturally without harmful chemicals. Now that we have learned about the various benefits of herbal plants in skincare, why not try caring for your skin in a more natural way and reap the incredible benefits of nature? Don't forget to share this video with your friends and leave your comments below about your experiences with herbal skincare. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.